or welcome back to my channel. My name is Bhubaneswari Padhi and today you will see a boozy booby. So I hope you will like this video. I might overact a little bit, but we don't mind that. So let me enjoy it. Hopefully, touch wood, we will reach there. I don't know when, that's a big dream, but we gonna manifest everything. So let's start with the video, you guys. Let's begin. So first of all, I'm gonna do this in open hair. Yes, your girl will be doing her makeup in open hair, which is a task because it's so hot here, you guys. You better like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel because I'm doing this just for you guys. And I'm sitting here and it's midnight now. You understand all the efforts that I'm putting for you all. So you better engage and show me the results, okay? So let me first clip in my hair and try to look cute as everyone does. So I've clipped my hairs, although I don't look cute enough, but that doesn't matter. Let's start with the video. So I have already cleansed my face as everyone starts their routine with a clean face. I've cleansed my face already. If someone is wondering that I have started this makeup in dirty face, no girl, you are wrong. I will be preparing my skin for all the makeup that we will be layering up now. So before that, let me prepare my skin a little bit, and for that first I will be using this, the Plum Green Tea Alcohol Free Toner. I will be taking this on my hand. I will be just patting this product onto my face like this. Pat, pat, pat. Don't slap yourself, by the way. Now once the toner has been absorbed into my skin, I will be using the Nutrigen moisturizer. Taking a generous amount of the moisturizer and applying it to my face. Okay, next for primer, I will be using my NYX Professional Pore Filler Primer. I will be using the MAC Strobe Cream. I will be kind of applying it to my entire face. Can you see the luminosity, glowiness, all of that shine that I was talking about? Next, I will be taking my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation. Like for everyday use, everyone wants to have the sheer light medium coverage. It's such a beautiful foundation, you guys. Now for concealer, I will be using my Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. So now we are done with highlighting and concealing our face. We will be moving into setting our face with some loose powder. And for that I will be using my Sugar Cosmetics All Set to Go Translucent Loose Powder. I will be taking my fluffy beauty brush and dusting off all of the excess powder that I have on my face. Next I will be doing my brows, and for that I will be using this Smashbox Brow Tech to Go brow pencil. And now for my eyes, I will be using the Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, and this is the Wet n Wild Color Icon Comfort Zone palette. I will be doing a very nice smoky soft eye makeup look, because mind it, we are doing this for everyday basis and not some dramatic sultry eye look, so don't expect that from me. So I have took the brown shade, the darker brown one, and I have did a nice wing liner kind of thing. And now I will be smudging and blending it with the lighter transition brown shade. So I'm gonna stop with the eyes right now, and I'm not going to make it over dramatic. And now I will be applying the same lighter transition color to my lower lash line as well. So I'm gonna stop just here. I'm not going to touch my eyes. Next I will be using this L'Oreal Lash Paradise Voluminous Mascara to coat my lashes nicely and make them look dramatic. I'm done with my lashes. Now I will be applying the slightest amount of shimmer shadow on my inner corners to make the eye pop a little bit, and for that I'm using this shade. Just a little bit of product on the brow bone. Already on the last step of the makeup routine, we are going to end this very soon. I didn't know how it happened. So today I won't be contouring my face, but I will be bronzing it. I want that nice sun-kissed bronzed tan look, and for that I will be using my Wet n Wild. Now to add some color onto my face and my cheeks, I will be using the Nykaa Get Cheeky Blush Duo. I apply it to my cheeks right now. Such a unique, beautiful color, coral kind of color. And for highlighter, I will be using this K Beauty by Katrina Illuminate. And next on my lips, I will be using the same K Beauty by Katrina lip liner, and I will be lining my lips. And to fill in my lips, I will be using this Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in the shade Stepping Out. And to make my lips a little fuller and highlighted, I will be using this, the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in the shade Recognized. I will be applying this shade to the center of my lips so that it looks little pouty. And here we are done with our makeup look, you guys. I hope you like this tutorial. Now I know this might not be a basic makeup routine for most of you guys, but I think this much of makeup is very light and is very easy to carry on. Now next, everything depends upon you, how you like your basic routine to be. You can pick up my tricks and you can merge your tips and tricks into my technique, and you can create your own flawless and comfortable look for your basic day. So I hope you all liked this look and you loved the tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I had so much fun. So with this, I'm gonna say you bye bye, good night, have a good day guys, and show a lot of love and support to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon, and don't forget to follow my page on Instagram. Putting the links to all the things down in the description below, so don't forget to check it out. Bye bye.